We've seen a lot of unwinding, a lot of deleveraging, all of these things happening in the crypto space. Why? Because FTX sang the songs of the siren with all of the people that were after making a quick buck, which was all the institutional people. You can't trust people that have accumulated a massive amount of wealth. They're now in this mindset of like, I need to protect this as much as possible. And they will do anything to protect that. They're using the government as like a strong arm to force what they want as regulations so that their old money has an easy path into the new paradigm. I saw this other video recently of one of the Rothschilds reading a letter from his family member from like 300 years ago. And the letter basically said, we've come to the conclusion that the best way to protect our wealth is to keep the love in the family. Incest.
I do think, however, that there are more institutions that are secretly insolvent as a function of FTX. I do think at some point we might see more institutions offload Bitcoin unwillingly just because they have to. FTX offered Taylor Swift $100 million. Did you see this?
Yes, and it wasn't even like they wanted it. Like Taylor Swift really wanted it, and he was the one that said no because the girlfriend that he had that he broke up with liked Taylor Swift, and he's like, nah.
Wow.